Sarah, an exercise physiologist at Simply Stronger. Today we're going to be looking at self-massaging using a foam roller. Now there's many different foam rollers out there for you to choose from, including ones like these that have knobbly bits, so they're a little bit firmer when you go to roll on them. We also have other short foam rollers, but today we're going to be using the long foam roller because we find this one to be quite versatile. But whatever you've got at home, you use what you have. So we're going to start with massaging my quads or my thigh muscles. I'm going to start with double leg, move to 45 degrees, and then right onto the side to a piece of fascia called the ITB. Here we go. Now what I like to do is start with little rolls up and down the roller. Keeping my feet nice and relaxed means that my quads are not tense and tight like they are if I lift my feet in the air. After I've done the top third, I move to the next third. Now if I find a really good knot, there's a couple of other massage techniques I can use over the top of that. One of them would be to bend and straighten my knee over the top of that good knot. This can really help to release. The other technique is rolling my thigh over the top of the foam roller. So just rocking over the top of your toe, rolling your heel from side to side. You'll find that can be really good to release those muscles. You can see in this one, I'm aiming to have some weight on my elbow and also on the opposite leg as I roll down the outer side of my quad. Moving up, or moving down even, a little bit as we go. Working my way right down to the knee. I would then swap sides, and when I come back, I'm going to do the side of the leg. So you can see we've just rolled a little bit further across. And this time we're rolling over a little piece of fascia known as the iliotibial band, or the ITB. Follow the same process, little by little, working your way right down towards the knee. For this next release, I'm going to be working through my groin muscles or my adductors. The way we do that is we actually need to start in what we call a figure 4 position. Popping the roller out towards my knee, I'm going to have both arms down on the ground and just rocking backwards and forwards. This one can be really quite tender on some people, so if you find it's a little bit strong, you can always put a towel down over the top of the foam roller to soften it a little, or you can pop your foot up onto the roller and that'll decrease some of your body weight that you've got over the top. We're just going to slowly work our way closer in towards the groin. Take your time here as much as you can. An added little bonus, you can play around over the top if you find a good knot that you want to try and release. The next one we're going to look at is massaging my calves. Again, I'm going to start with 2 legs. Putting both legs down near the ankle over the Achilles, I lift my body weight up and roll forwards and backwards. Nice and gentle over one spot first, pop my weight down, move closer, and move further up the leg. Now if that feels like it's not quite strong enough for you, you can always move to single leg. I like to do this with one foot sitting on top of the foam roller rather than on the ground. If it's on the ground, you'll hit it with the foam roller, and if I put it on the other leg, as people often do, then I'm putting all my body weight onto one leg. This way, I can control how much body weight I put through that leg by leaving some of it on my right leg. And you just follow the same process, working up and down the leg. For each of these releases, you can spend a good few minutes on any one of them. Perhaps I want to massage the muscle running up the front of my shin. That one's called the tibialis anterior. Again, nice and easy, putting that leg on top of the foam roller. Gives me a little bit more room to move, and my foot doesn't get in the way as I'm rolling. In this one, I'm going to be massaging my upper back. We can do this in two different ways. The first one, I'm going to have my hands behind my head, making sure my neck's nice and relaxed, lift my hips up, and just roll up and down. Now you can do that in little sweeps or big sweeps. The second way that we can do it is leaving my hips on the ground, allowing myself to arch back over the top of the roller. Do this a few times in one spot, and then move around and go again. The last release that I'm going to show you is for your latissimus dorsi, or down the outer side of your torso here. Taking the weight of my head, I'm just making my body nice and heavy over the top of the foam roller and rolling back and forth. This again can be one that's really quite tender on people, so just go gently to begin with. Now that we've done some good releasing with our foam roller, that by no means is an extensive list. There's plenty more that we can do. If you've got any ideas, let us know and we'll put them in the next video.